Hi friends! Happy summer and happy summer reading. We are so excited about all of the fun things we have planned for you this summer. We are going to have kits every month. We also have an actual summer reading program, so if you stop in at either library location, you can pick up your bingo card, and the prizes this year are so much fun. I am going to show you our June kit, and also you can pick this up from either library location. It's gonna come in a bag either that looks like this, or it'll be in a brown craft bag. And then inside we have all of your ingredients for your cake in a mug. We have your mug. We have directions for making the cake. And then we also have a cute little decal that you can use to decorate your mug if you'd like. So for making the cake, all of your dry ingredients are in this little bag right here. You have baking powder, you have sprinkles, you have sugar, and then you also have flour. I am not going to actually make the cake today, but all of the directions for making it, like I said, are right on here. All you need is these ingredients. You need a little bit of milk, a little bit of oil, and a microwave. And you just mix it all up in your mug. You stick it in the microwave, start it at 90 seconds. Make sure you watch it and it doesn't start overflowing the mug. And then let it cool for a minute so that you don't burn your mouth. And then you can eat your own little personal cake. One thing I will say, these mugs are dishwasher safe, so you can throw them in the dishwasher if you want, but we did not wash them before we packed them in these bags. So before you make your mug cake, I would advise you to either run it through the dishwasher or just get some dish soap and wash your mug before you use it. That's very important. You also want to wash your mug first so that you can put your decal on it and it will stick. And I am going to show you right now how you would do that. Again, directions are right here, but it's really easy. So you would clean your mug off with soap and water. If you have rubbing alcohol and you want to rub that around the outside of the mug, that's even better. And then you're going to take your sticker, and let me see if I have a card laying around here anywhere. Hang on one second. I found one. So you're gonna take, I'm using a kids library card. You're gonna take a library card, a credit card, something with like a flat, hard edge. And I'm actually going to bend this down so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you're gonna take your card and just rub it along the sticker. Try to get out any air bubbles if you can. You just wanna make sure that it's gonna stick to this transparent transfer tape. Okay. So once you think you've gotten the air bubbles out, you're going to peel the back off of the sticker. Make sure that all of the letters are sticking to the transparent tape and not to the paper. All right, so now it looks like this. And then we're going to put the sticker on the mug carefully, as straight as you can, and then we're going to push it down. I guess as straight as you can get it. Push it down. All right, now we're gonna kind of just like rub it in place the best you can. You can use this card again, or just use your fingers. We just want to get it as stuck as we can. So it'll look like that. And now, normally you would want to wait a couple hours. So you're gonna wanna let it sit for a little while so that you're sure that it's sticking to your mug. Just kind of rub it in the best you can. And then after a couple of hours, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start peeling off this transfer tape, making sure that the letters are staying on the mug and not sticking to the tape. If they do start to stick to the tape, you just put it back down, rub it again, and try again. It's kind of satisfying to peel off. And when you're done, you have a cute little mug that says, "I love reading." It should be okay to stick in the dishwasher, but I might hand wash it at least the first couple of times just to be safe. But you have a cute mug, you have a recipe for cake in a mug, and you can, use this mug to make cake whenever you want. There are also, if you just Google online, like mug cake recipes, there are a lot of really good ones. I'm partial to the brownies, but I know not everyone likes chocolate and some people are allergic to it. But there's lots of fun recipes online. It's so easy, and it's like your own personal treat. Make sure that you are following us on our social media. We have a Facebook page, we have an Instagram, we have a Snapchat. To see all of the other fun things we have going on this summer. You can come pick up reading logs from the library. You can come pick up the summer brochure that has all of our programs for all ages in it. And we would love to see you. We're open, so come in, say hi, pick up some books. And we hope you have a wonderful summer, and I'll see you back here in July for our Beat the Heat kit, which is going to be a lot of fun. Bye.